Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add watermark in Word file. So let's get right into the video. Once you have opened up your Word file, head over to design section, and under the page background section, you can see an option watermark, and click on that. You will get a drop down box. Then you just have to select the position you want to add your watermark into. Suppose I want it like this, and click on custom watermark and change the text to digital knowledge. And I want to change the color also. I want it to be gray, or yeah, and then click on apply and close. And that's it. Your watermark is added in your file, and if you take more pages, the watermark will remain the same. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.